Hello everyone, I'm here to talk to you today about ocean acidification. Ocean acidification occurs whenever carbon dioxide from the atmosphere reacts with the water in our oceans, lakes, rivers, and streams. Whenever this happens, carbonic acid is created, which breaks down into the bicarbonate ion and hydrogen ions. These hydrogen ions then react with the water, increasing its acidity. Increasing acidity in our oceans is dangerous for aquatic life. One example of this danger is for any aquatic animal with a shell, particularly if that shell is made out of calcium carbonate, as most of them are. The carbonic acid and just acidity of the water in general, makes it impossible for the calcium carbonate shells of these animals to be able to reproduce. And without these shells, the animals are unprotected and will likely die. But it's not just a matter of the animals. Since this also has an impact on fish, it will affect the food we eat as well. The ability of some fish like clownfish to detect predators is decreased in acidic water. And pH levels might also have an effect on the ability of larval clownfish to locate a suitable habitat according to the NOAA.gov's website. So ocean acidification is a problem, but it can be fixed with simple measures such as recycling, using cleaner energy sources, cleaning up our beaches and oceans, as well as any effort that is being used to reduce climate change.